Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 34. The position occupied by an organism in a food chain is the A. Energy level, B. Niche, C. Trophic level, D. Biomass. Now, a food chain is a diagrammatic representation, or basically a pictorial representation that shows the transfer of energy and nutrients, that is food, from organism to organism in a feeding pathway. So this is an example of a food chain. You have something like this. You can have grass, then zebra, and then lion. So this feeding pathway shows that the zebra eats grass, so therefore nutrients and energy is transferred from the grass to the zebra when it eats it, and then the lion eats the zebra, and then the energy or nutrients are transferred from the zebra to the lion. So that feeding pathway that shows the transfer of energy or nutrients from one organism to another is what is known as a food chain. And as you can see in the food chain, you have levels, you have positions occupied by various organisms. Now each position or each step in the food chain is known as a trophic level. A trophic level. So this is one trophic level, this is another trophic level, and this is another trophic level. So option C says trophic level, and that is the position occupied by an organism in a food chain. So option C, trophic level, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.